food reviewer. I do reviews on the YouTube. You never knew such a cool dude. I keep it so fly, and do you know why? It's cause I know whether to buy that food.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's a food reviewer. We're over here at Wendy's. We're trying the bacon jalapeno popper sandwich, crispy chicken sandwich. New. Same thing as the McDick's video. I got a small Coke with it, so it was like $8.97 for everything. Not quite too sure what's on this. Feels kind of light. So it looks like a little bit of cream cheese, some melted cheese, bacon, the chicken patty, the jalapenos. Alright, looks alright, I guess. A little small. Normal potato roll at Wendy's. Things are falling everywhere. I think it's the spicy chicken patty, which is good. I like the spicy chicken. Let's go and try this. Okay. Cream cheese is cold, so it adds a little weirdness, like cold cream cheese on a hot sandwich. Can definitely taste the cream cheese though. Bacon's kind of like not really crispy. It's kind of like almost non-existent. The jalapeno's got the regular jalapeno heat. Could use more cheese on it, I think. I think it could definitely use more cheese. Chicken patties, a regular spicy chicken sandwich, nothing different about that. Definitely like the addition of the cream cheese on that sandwich. Definitely adds, like I said, a little weirdness with it being cold, but it is what it is, right? Could use a little more melted cheese on it. And then the chicken patty and the bun, same thing as like a regular spicy chicken sandwich you got from Wendy's. Alright, so the bacon jalapeno popper chicken sandwich from Wendy's, definitely a buy. A little pricey though. Like I said, like $9 for a small drink in the sandwich, and it was kind of like a smaller sandwich. Would prefer it to be a little bit bigger for that price. So thanks for watching, guys. Next time you're at Wendy's, try the bacon jalapeno popper sandwich. Thanks for watching, and peace out.